Hello everybody, this is Crazybear. I was going to take a ride this last Wednesday up into the Cuba Mesa area, and we were going to have dinner on the ATV up in the high desert, but our schedule had to be changed, so we weren't able to make that ride. Hopefully it'll come sometime in the future. But what I decided to do, since I promised Bubba I'd have a video for him to edit and to post on the Yoro adventures, I'm going to go through, just because everybody else has been doing it, I'm going to show you what's on my ATV, what I carry with me at all times, and how I pack for casual riding. Not for camping, not for cross country, just for casual riding. The majority of the equipment that I have on the ATV lives on the ATV right there. It's always there. I just replenish it whenever I use it. So what I'm going to do is walk you around my Polaris, and I have a front trunk. I have a back trunk where I keep my tools, and then I have my cargo bag that sits on the ATV. So I'm going to introduce you to all of the equipment that I carry and how it's used, and my philosophy and why I have it and why I keep it there. Okay, well, this is Crazybear. I hope this is helpful for you. This here is my front trunk, my deck. On the top I have the cargo rack where I could tie and set things on the deck and tie down on the rack. It's good for coolers, camera bags, sleeping bags, tents, things like that. On the inside, is things that I always keep on the bike regardless of what kind of riding I'm doing. And we'll go through each one of those, and I'll show you what I got. This here was a gift from Nanadai to me, and I have a lot of fun with this. This is a slow elk horn. I've got a tie down deck here with the handlebars for the seat. I had to put this extension on because I wanted my cargo bag mounted whenever I was riding, so that we could keep water, spare water, raincoats, things like that in the cargo bag. I built this myself. I used discarded chain link fence material, and I just created it long enough so that I could put my lawn chair, my folding table, and another lawn chair on top of this, so that when Nanadai and I are riding, we can stop and enjoy the afternoon and sit and eat lunch and just enjoy the scenery. Down here is my trunk. I added a bottle opener, and everything I have in there is designed for maintenance. This thing here is a tow. It's a towing bar. It's made for a 2-inch trailer hitch, and the reason why I went with this is because I have my straps inside my trunk that I've been carrying around for years, and I've never been able to figure out, or haven't really thought about how I was going to do it. But if I ever had to pull someone out, those hooks wouldn't fit within those holes, those openings there. So by putting this tow hold here, I'm able to put my strap with the hook on it, and I can tow someone out. I have a winch in front, but that winch is for a certain type of job, and now I have a tie down for my tow straps, and I could tow someone out. I could tow them back to the truck if I needed to. So I resolved that problem. My tow straps in my trunk are now functional. All these years that I've had them in there, they were there. If I ever needed to use them, I would have to jerry-rig something to make it work. But now they're functional. This is my baggage, and there are certain things that I keep in here, and I'll go through them. I put a wood 1/4 inch piece of plywood that goes a full length so that things don't poke a hole into the canvas. The bag, the cargo bag itself, has a metal frame that goes all the way around, but it's just canvas on the bottom. So by putting that plywood there, I could carry all kinds of things in there that would normally punch a hole through the canvas, and now I've stabilized that, and I don't have to worry about that. The life expectancy of this bag is now increased considerably. Okay, well, these are the things I'm going to introduce you to. These are the things I'm going to show you what I have and how I use them. And hopefully it will help you and give you some ideas on what you can do and how you can outfit your rig, your ATV. And it doesn't take a lot. Everything that I need is here. If I'm on a special ride, I could add what I need: coolers, sleepy bags, tents, and things like that. But for the normal ride, the normal day-long ride, this bike is equipped for 2 people. All we have to do is add the cooler with the lunch, or the cooler with the drinks, or the cooler with our cooking paraphernalia that we're going to entertain ourselves with. Hello out there. This is Crazybear. I'm glad that you got to view the introduction portion of this Junk in the Trunk episode. I found myself with a lot of information on the 3 different trunks that I was explaining what I carry with, but rather than cut any of that information out, I decided to go ahead and break it up into 3 parts. I don't know if a time issue is a concern, but this is how I chose to deal with it. The next episode is the trunk in the back. The episode after that will be the trunk in the front. And then the final episode will be the cargo bag and the cargo bag extension and what I carry in it. I had a lot of fun putting this together. I couldn't, in my heart, find a way of cutting any of it out without losing the total message. So I hope you enjoy, and if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to share. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you out on the trail. So happy adventures to you.
This is a 4-part series. In the next episode, Crazybear reviews the junk in his rear trunk.